That's not a cop, that's not a cop, that's a cop. So I went down, I shifted in a second to go make a pool.
On this episode,
KP tells a cop about our racing adventures.
hello. Is it you I'm looking for?
Hello. It's me.
That's not your buddy. Yeah.
Uh-oh, police are here.
They're coming back for Zeus.
Zeus did it.
He heard the dyno, and then he's like, and then he remembers seeing my shirt when I was over there. But
Hey, you guys gonna do it again, or is that it?
yeah, no, yeah, I mean, I'm
All day long.
yeah, it's literally all day long.
I could do that all day.
Yeah. Oh, we do.
That's a water tank. Literally, we
Yeah, would
Have
you
the-
guys put ice in it?
ice in that. Yes, we put about a good amount of ice in it. He has a headphone hooked up that I talk to him on it to pull him up to the line. It's a good time. It's a lot of work. It goes from fun to serious in a minute. Behind me there's a cop, and I had absolutely no idea. And then, like, in the back of the car in back of us, they're like, "That's not a cop. That's not a cop. That's a cop." So I went down. I shifted in a second to go make a pool, and he just lit me right off. He pulled me over, and he was like, "Hey," he's like, "Can you guys like just stop racing?" And we're like, I'm like, I haven't been pulled over at this point in like 5 years. So I was like, yeah, I'm done. He's like, "If you want to make one more pool, you can." And I looked at Fran and I was like, "Did he just? Is it okay? Is he gonna pull me over for making a
It's
pool?"
entrapment. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I was like, this is such an oxymoron. So I made one more pool and he was cool. He let us go. So it's a good time. It's all his fault. He got me.
on this episode,
KP tells a cop about our racing adventures.
I said we go to Mexico to go race and it's a good time.
I still can't believe he let you go.
Yeah. I hadn't really raced. I was just preparing.
Yeah, I told her, I was like, go pull up there and race. It was the guy Alex from CSP.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, go pull up and race Alex, and I guess like she like sped up.
I,
and
like-
saw that.
Slingshotted up to him.
Now, is there anywhere in this area that people street race these kind of cars?
No.
This is
Like
Nowhere
from
in-
a stop.
Nowhere in like Delaware.
In
Jersey,
reality,
PA?
in reality, I wish. Philly and Jersey and stuff, there's places, but it's not like it used to be. It's not like you can be like, oh, we're going to the races, and you
Go
go up there and for
and
hours.
sit there like it used to be.
Yeah, and like just for hours and watch. It's not like that anymore. Now, like if someone's racing, it's like, yo, we're gonna do it on this road. We'll meet at 10 o'clock. Because if you get 100 people there, then you know the cops come in 10 minutes. So it's more of like a low key thing now. Like 5 or 10 people from each side or whatever the car in it.
Yeah.
Because we'll get like little tuner cars without.
Yeah.
Go watch
This
that.
thing would. This thing could never go on the street. This thing wouldn't.
It wouldn't work.
It wouldn't work on the street.
It would just
Even if
spin
you
the
tuned
tires.
it and turned down so much power.
I mean, maybe, but I couldn't drive it anywhere. You know what I mean? That's the gas tank. It's 2 gallons.
This big. And that's going in 2 passes.
Yeah, like
so.
there's not really a rate. There's a little teeny radiator in it, but I don't really use it for anything. It's more of I start it up, I do a burnout, and make a pass, and I shut it off. And then I have a smart car, and she comes down and pushes it back. So.
Yeah, street races aren't what they used to be.
No, they're not.
Yeah, no, it's not.
You can't go down.
The cars back then, what they used to
They're
be,
not
they
as
were
fast.
A lot slower,
Oh, God,
too.
Yeah.
That's when
Back
12
then,
seconds
a 10
was-
second car
yeah.
was like
Yeah.
fast. Now 10-second cars stop.
It was like you were
Yeah.
racing 15, 16-second cars, and you're like, yo, whoop your ass.
Yeah, like
Little Hondas and stuff.
we don't have any over here, but like the
S2000.
brand new C7 Z06s, like bone stock, they'll go 1020, 1030. Back in the day, that was like a race car, and it's not.
It's not sadly,
anything.
I wish it was still that way.
I do too, but
Because I'd whoop everybody's ass.
it's not even that. Like it was just, I don't know, it was just different back then. If you want to watch, then you're a problem. Like when I go out there, like if people are going to race, I'm like, all right, go ahead. You know what I mean? I don't care.
You want to see who wins?
Yeah.
You tell me when you come back.
7 videos of it, and you'll tell me who won when you came back. It's not unless I'm in it. It's not worth it. People are just dumb nowadays. They don't respect the power that some of these cars make, and that's, I think, the main problem on a lot of shit. So, like my ZR1 that she drives, I mean, that thing makes 900 at the tire. On the bottle, it makes 1,200. So it's not a car that you can really f around with if you don't know how to drive.
Yeah.
So, and there's a lot of people that'll just get in, a brand new Z06 or something, and on a stock tire, they're literally dangerous. They're useless. You try ripping on a stock tire 40 mile an hour, it's going to blow the tires off and go sideways, and that's.
As you see on YouTube, and people are crashing in.
Yeah.
Remember him? Found you, kinda.
Sorry.
Right?
Sorry for that.
You can't even come see Mom.
Good job, Zeus. You got the cops called.
Yeah, you probably heard us talking.
Hi.
It's all your fault.
Yeah, Zeus.
You're
And we're
bad boy,
groundhogs.
huh?
Oh my God. It's 2 this week?
One was last week, Thursday,
okay.
I think. You got one Thursday, and then you got one yesterday or the day before.
Hey! No. Zeus.
would be
I should have got a picture of him in the back of the car.
It'd be so much better.
Oh, we have about 100 of them.
Oh, do you? Him just hanging out like.
Yep.
That's
You'll
funny.
have to give us one of
Yeah.
those. So we can have that as our 50.
Yeah, text it
Well,
to
now I
me.
know where you guys are.
Yeah.
Sue's got arrested.
Zeus-
No problem. Sitting
Zeus
back
got
here in the
arrested.
middle of the night.
Yeah. That's so funny that he, because I saw you guys over there and I'm looking for him and I'm like, and that's why I saw you guys over there. I'm like, I'm just gonna go over there because that fucker is probably over there. Like, sure enough.
You mama's boy.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah,
You
Zeus.
mama's boy.
Blow that head.
That's right.
It's my childish joke for the day.
Just one?
Just for now.
Do you want to put the header on this side first?
Nah,
Sure.
American Racing, little bit one.
Okay. What were the other ones?
I think they were stainless works or something.
Okay. Assuming we're doing a K-Tech valley cover and
Yep.
stuff too.
Yeah, throw that in. Throw the valve covers on. Put the intake in, and then I'm gonna open that pro charger box.
Nice. Let's get stock intake, no pro charger intake. So headers are all on. Exhaust is going on.
Yep. Just got done plumbing the fuel system.
Nice.
It's coming.
good. It's gonna almost be Pro Charger time soon.
I think tomorrow
Yeah.
will probably be a solid Pro Charger day. I want to kind of get the exhaust up, and I got to mount the fuel pressure regulator.
Okay.
Once the bracket's done drying, we weld it up. So I should
Everything else done under the hood?
probably keep me busy. Yeah, engine work's all done.
Nice.
So put the rack back in.
Damn, this thing's fancy.
Got a lot of carbon fiber on it and
see.
under it.
Super Vet's wide body. That's what it looks like. It's like a show car.
Yeah, a lot of nice stitching in there.
Yeah, the diamond stitching. That stuff's sick.
Nice Momo wheel.
You would.
My first car had a Momo wheel.
You are a Momo. So what are we doing with this?
Plugs, some diagnostic work. It's got ABS light on. The shift light comes on when the high beams go on. And raising up the rear end.
Okay.
So nothing too
Then I'm
big.
assuming a tune or just that sort of stuff?
I haven't heard anything about a tune.
Okay.
You see the trunk?
No. I can kind of see part of it from the inside, but not a lot.
Got a pretty decent setup in here.
Beastly, eh? It's definitely clean.
Yeah, it's well done. Aside for the wiring.
Oh, is it not very good? We'll just leave it at that.
Yeah. I don't want to say too much.
It's nice though.
A few moments later.
Guys, you figured it out?
Yeah, too much solder on the one wire.
No, so the light's okay?
Yeah, cleaned it all up. I thought that's what could have been the case. I have it set real low.
Just have it set to like 2000 or
Yeah.
something. Test it.
2001.
Yeah. Nice. Now you can just raise it
So
up.
now I can put everything back together, raise it up. I think he had it set at 5400. So
Good job, Scene. Yeah, when the hell did you get that?
Just now. And it's got a key, so we're
So
gonna.
you can lock me out?
Yeah. I'm gonna have one, and Eric's gonna have one.
I see.
So I'll be able to access them, and all the guys in the shop will, and
I'll jimmy it.
You'll be.
I'll jimmy the fucking lock.
Well, it's actually just like an Allen key.
Oh, what the? I can break into that. That's cool.
Yeah. I just plugged it in. It's pretty cold too.
Yeah. Dude, that's badass.
$250. Dude, they're like $500.
Are they
It's brand
that much?
new.
I was gonna
Yeah,
say
it's never
like,
even opened.
I was gonna say it's like a wine fridge, but you've kind of limited your.
Monster countertop cooler.
I was gonna say brand new. That's pretty good then.
Yeah, it's brand new. It's never even opened. It still had like the straps around the box.
You find the weirdest shit, dude.
Facebook Marketplace, bro. She wanted $450. What? That's how I roll. Raining.
Good.
Not good.
My grass needs it.
You know when you're old? The whole last week when it was like really hot out, before I came into work every day, I watered my grass and flowers.
Yeah, you're old.
I'm old.
I didn't think you cared about that sort of stuff.
I really don't.
Man. thing looks glossy as...
What?
Watch your mouth.
You shut your mouth when you're talking to me.
Brad did a good job on the wash. So this is what we just did, cam.
Don't know.
So this is the one we just did, cam.
I really don't. I really don't.
Next pipe. Had a boiler on it. It had an aerate on it. And apparently a tune before.
Yeah, the guy in the YouTube comments
yeah.
commented, I think.
He's like, that was my old car. It had a tune on it.
Yeah, had a tune on it, yeah.
So that did have a tune on it. We did our 5-inch intake. Ported blower. CL1 lid, coolant expansion tank in the trunk, no meth, no E, so straight pump injectors, 1050X injectors.
Yep.
And a lower?
Sure.
Maybe an upper.
It made 13.5 pounds, so whatever the that is.
Pulley.
I mean, it doesn't matter what pulleys are on it. It made 13.5 pounds.
Yeah.
Almost 14 the first pull cold. 13.9 and 13.6 just there.
Okay. Well, some people said the R5-inch intake bumped their boost up.
I would believe that. It means they had a restriction.
Yeah. So there. So that works. If you notice more boost, and all you did was change the intake, you're welcome. Well, not me, but the intake, you're welcome. So I looked. There was a lower, and it looks like a 255 upper, so I'm assuming 9.1 lower.
9.1, 255.
Yep. Yep. That's what it looks like.
I was thinking 9.1, 255 would make more than 13 pounds.
It's got 255.
Oh no, never mind. We did a cam.
Yeah. Cam dropped it down.
Did it? How do you know?
That's typically what they do.
Typically, but we don't go by typically here.
Yeah, but if we did a cam, then it's a good assumption to assume that it dropped because of the cam.
Good assumption to assume?
Yeah. That's what assumptions are. Assumptions are.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not sure you can use that word twice in one sentence.
I don't know.
Stick with photography.